Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I am Semanur, consultant for aesthetic treatments like dental care, hair transplant, plastic surgery in Turkey. In this video, we are going to see where you should pay attention for after your hair transplantation. First, the medications you get from the doctor as recommended. Sleeping with your neck pillow for the first 3 days is important. Anesthetics will take effect after a few hours. The day after the hair transplant is normal that the liquid comes out of the donor area. Drink lots of water. Don't eat too salty. Rest a lot. Don't touch your head and make sure nothing touches it. When getting in and out of the car, see that you bend well. When getting into the shower, make sure your head does not get wet from the hot steaming water. When sleeping, maintain a 45-degree position on your back. The first 10 days after the transplantation are vital to the recovery process as the wounds heal. It is essential not to scratch the wounds to prevent bacteria from entering. The itching you experience is actually a very positive sign that the wounds are healing. Avoid contact and absolutely do not touch the transplant area during the first 2 days after surgery, not even when putting on and taking off clothes. We recommend wearing clothes with a wide neckline or a zipper or button closure. After treatment, there is a good chance that there will be swelling on your forehead. Don't worry about this. This is perfectly normal and will disappear within a few days. Usually, swelling is worse between the second and fourth day after the procedure, especially around the eyes. Fortunately, the swelling will gradually decrease as the fluid is drained from your body through the lymph nodes. After a hair transplant, is it normal for scabs to form on your scalp? Although it can be tempting to sit on them, it is important to avoid doing so. When sleeping after a hair transplant, there are some important points to be aware of. It is highly recommended to sleep on your back with a slightly elevated pillow for the first 3 days after the procedure. This way you avoid direct contact between the transplanted hairs and your pillow. You can place extra pillows on your left and right sides. These will help you stay on your back. After 10 days, you can wash your hair as you were used before the hair transplant. Using pH-neutral shampoo is the hype important. After 10 days, you can courteously resume sports such as jogging, cycling without a helmet, or fitness training. However, it is advisable to avoid contact sport for 4 weeks and other intense cycle activity for 4 weeks to reduce the risk of infection. It is also important to not swim within 4 weeks of the procedure, whether in the sea or in a swimming pool, to avoid possible damage to the transplanted hair follicles. Make sure your body gets enough rest to recover before returning to sports or swimming. During the first 4 weeks, it is best not to go on a tanning bed or expose yourself to direct sunlight. During the first 3 months after your hair transplant, it is not recommended to use gel or hairspray. These products can dry your scalp and damage the transplanted hairs. After 4 weeks, however, you can go back to the hairdresser where your hair on the sides and donor can be treated with clippers. During the first weeks after the hair transplant, it is strongly advised against smoking, drinking alcohol, or taking drugs. These substances can negatively affect the recovery process and delay the healing of the transplanted hair follicles. It is important to maintain good hygiene during the hair transplant recovery process. Avoid contact with dust and dirt as much as possible and only touch your scalp with clean hands to avoid infections. Hair falling out is perfectly normal, and you may notice the implanted hairs is falling out for up to 5 weeks after treatment. Don't worry if you notice small, yellow or whitish sacs in the process. These sacs contain only the hair itself, not the hair root. Hair loss after surgery is a natural process that occurs during recovery. Scalp massage can stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Once you are allowed to wash again and scabs are gone, you can gently use your fingertips to make circular motions on your scalp for a few minutes each day. Massaging your scalp regularly will boost blood flow and encourage healthy hair growth. Recovery from your hair transplant takes a long time, often many months. Shortly after the transplant, the transplanted hairs may even fall out, but this is completely normal. This is a shock reaction of the transplanted hairs, however the hair follicle simply remains, allowing new and stronger hair is grown back. The new first days you will see some results, but because of the hair loss, a while later it may seem like nothing happened. Once the stronger hairs have grown back, you will soon see satisfactory results. Do you have questions about our hair transplants and their recovery? Then please contact me. Are you planning to have cosmetic procedures done in Turkey? Then is this channel the most suitable for you. Subscribe for more videos like this.